Well, this was definitely not on my bingo card for 2025. Samsung might release their tri-foldable phone in America, which is just mind-boggling to say. So obviously every year, right, Samsung comes out with a limited edition foldable cell phone. The reason why I pause is because last year was the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This year it would be a tri-foldable phone, which usually is released only in China and South Korea, which is the capital of Samsung. But this year they're going to be releasing it potentially in America instead. Now, it will still be heavily limited, right? It's still going to be like $3,000, right? It's still going to be stupidly expensive. But I guess this is like Samsung's way of trying to get a one-up on the tri-foldable phone market, because as we know, Honor created their tri-foldable phone, or Huawei, excuse me, not Honor, and their tri-foldable phones only release in China. That's it. You can't get it in America. It's limited. It was like $3,000 when it came out. So, very interesting. Normally the reason why they don't release it in America is because first off, it's limited. Second off, it just doesn't really make logical sense. If they're not going to, be able to sell many units of it in America, why release it in America, right? It just really doesn't make sense to release it in a market that simply most likely will not buy it at all, or even, entertain the idea. I mean, I think across the board we can all say $3,000 plus, because it's going to be plus at this point. Let's be honest. Scalpers are going to be all over this. It just doesn't make sense. It really just doesn't make sense for you to release it in America. But hey, I mean, at the end of the day, if that's what Samsung wants to do, it's going to make it a little bit more easier for people to get it. We'll probably get a lot more videos on the subject. And that's kind of dope. I mean, again, like I said, if they want to do this, go do it. But I don't know how well this is going to perform, Like, again, just how many people are going to actually buy this phone? Yeah. I mean, I guess it all depends on the price tag. If you can, like, the Z Fold 7, that is now $2,000. And it was $1,800, but then it went up in price over the years. So that's why I look at that and I'm like, okay, well, if it's $2,000, if it's like $2,500, you're not going to sell any. If it's $3,000, you're definitely not going to sell any. Anything above that is just out of the question. But hey, you know what? More power to them. Give us a product in America that we can, be happy and excited about. I don't know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. I'll see you guys next one.